Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add threads in Instagram bios. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. Right now you cannot see the option of the thread in our Instagram bio. So how can we add this? It's pretty simple. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to install the thread from your Play Store or the App Store, depends on the what OS that you're using. And after that, what you have to do, you have to jump into the Threads app. All right. So as you can see here, now I'm inside my Threads app. And if I go back, you can see on my account, I don't have the option of the threads in my bio. Okay. So what we need to do here is that we're going to go back into the threads again. And from here, what you have to do, you actually have to create the accounts on the thread. Basically, you don't need to do anything because you're already logged in into your Instagram account. All you need to do is to tap on your account here. So I'm going to tap on the account on which we want to add the thread. All right, so now it's basically asking the question whether I want to make my file public or private. So I'm going to go here with the private. Okay, so now let's just tap on join threads. All right, so I can simply skip this and we have created our thread account successfully. Now, when we go back to our Instagram account and if I refresh my profile, you will be able to see the option of thread on my Instagram bios. So this is how you can add threads in Instagram bio. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.